Full set. Coming with 3 distinct sizes including small, medium, and large, our cutting board set is perfect for multi-course meals or all-day use. Versatile. Our plastic cutting board works great as a fruit or meat cutting board, fish cleaning board, carving board, or even as a sink cover for counter space. Easy clean. Designed for mess and stress-free cleanup, our kitchen cutting boards are dishwasher safe and won't splinter, crack, or peel. Durable. Tough enough to withstand chopping, slicing, dicing, and sharp knives, our large cutting board surface is made with heavy-duty, durable plastic that won't retain stains or odors. Grooved design. Complete with juice grooves and non-slip handles, our chopping boards prevent sticky liquids from spilling on the counter for mess-free meal prep. When it's time to chop up vegetables for dinner or prepare chicken for your meal prep plan, you don't want to leave deep cuts on your counter. That's why we created HOMWE cutting boards, a heavy-duty, BPA-free plastic cutting board set that gives you more cutting versatility and efficiency that's cleaner, safer, and better for daily food prep. Boasting a juice groove to catch sticky liquids and a non-slip handle to keep it in place, each board is designed for creating healthier meals more easily. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent cutting surfaces, 3 useful sizes. Over the years our old similar cutting boards had scars that turned black and were unsightly. Ordered these to replace them, and really like them. These boards have one side with a gravy catcher around the edge, and the other side without it, more appropriate for cutting vegetables. They wash up easily by hand, and if they are anything like my old set, they work in the dishwasher just fine without warping even on the lower level. I haven't tried to wash this set in the dishwasher yet, that comment based on my experience with the earlier similar set. 3 good sizes that match the particular cutting work you are doing. Like the previous set, these tend to quickly dull knives. Has to do with the plastic or nylon surface, I am sure. But they are so much more sanitary than wooden boards, which might be kinder to knives.